So first we're going to start off by connecting the OBD link to the OBD port, and then turn the ignition to the run position, the on, and then we're going to go to the phone. On the phone we're going to start by going to AlfaOBD, this app. We're going to connect to the interface. So we're connected. Next we're going to choose our vehicle. For this video it's going to be on a 1500 Dodge Ram. It will work on any Dodge Rams, 2500, 3500s. They're all the same for this system, but you of course want to select your type of vehicle. So then on the power net we're going to select body computer 2013 to 2017. Okay. It's going to take you to this screen. Next we're going to connect, and it's connected. So we're going to slide 1, 2, 3 all the way to the end. Now it says select procedure to start. We're going to go scroll all the way to the bottom and go to car configuration change. Okay. Next we're going to, right here it's select option. Okay. First we're going to add is the remote start. So it's right here, vehicle config 1, remote start present. Then we're going to select the value what we want to do. We're going to add it, so that's a yes. So then we're going to start. So ours, we already have remote start, so it's going to tell you you're going to see no, but for us it's yes. But we're going to see what it does, so we're going to start it. There's no change necessary. For yours, it's actually going to take a while. So from there, when we're done and when it actually changes to yes, we're going to now add hood ajar. So now hood ajar, if you just want to keep scrolling down until we get to CBC. And it's right here, CBC IO hood ajar switch input present. Okay. Next, yes, same thing. Start. We have it too, so yes. Of course, it may take a while. It's going to take more or less a minute or two to add it, and then when it does, and you want to make sure that you added it, you press start again, and it'll tell you yes again. So that's all. You added remote start to your vehicle, to your Dodge Ram.